Okay, I'm making this video because I did a thermostat and a coolant temperature sensor on a 2008 Chevy HHR, but I didn't see any videos on how to bleed the air out of the system. So this is the method that I'm using, and you can see the air is coming out. And I'm also using let's see if I can get the light from it. I'm using this CanDo. When the customer brought it to me, the temperature was staying at 136. You see the air is still coming out of the system. I'm just trying to bleed it out. Temperature get up to 212. And it's nighttime, so there we go. This is the kit I got from Amazon for around $20. I'm not sure if it's the proper way, but I couldn't find anything on the internet, so them air bubbles coming out of there. Okay, the coolant fan just kicked on. 180. So I guess I'll turn the car off, let it cool down a little bit, turn it back on, and do that again. Because I said I'm not exactly sure. I'm trying to get all the air out of the system before I turn the car over. So it's looking like I got it fixed. So I guess the operating temperature is around 181. So yeah, it looks like I got it fixed. I'm gonna call the customer to come and pick up his car. Okay, I'm gonna test the car without the fuel kit on it. Got the radiator cap on it, and it's still. What happened? It got up to 215, 217. The coolant fan kicked on, and it dropped it down to 181. So also I want to show the coolant temperature sensor is in pretty bad shape. I think that was the main issue. But normally I do the coolant temperature sensor and I do the thermostat at the same time. But yeah, you can see it's pretty seen better days. So yeah, we got it lit. Turn this off.